There's my car tucked in the corner. There's the main road. There's the barn. There's the other part of the barn. Look at this beautiful house. And then there's me. So, my situation is this. I can't go around the front because I tried that. I was on all fours crawling around the porch. Yep, that porch right there. Unfortunately, I couldn't get low enough as the porch has a very 1, 2, 3 fronts. Sorry about that. Got a little shaky there. This barn door's don't open. Not like there's much to see in the barn anyway. So I'm gonna run full circle around this property and see. Holy crap. Wow. Sneakers aren't always a bad idea, Sandra. Do-do-do. Oops. Oh, wow. There's a ton more household to see. Oh, good. My car is still there. Excellent. Oops. Why do I keep pressing? Whoa, we are up to 3.3. Holy cannoli. Uh-oh. And then her millimeter falls apart. Aha, bingo. Nope. For I certainly do not want to break anything. You know what? I bet there's a trap door in here. There's gotta be this. Oh. It's the window that doesn't really open. Dang it. Oh, looks like I'm on the other side. Oh, shit. Uh-oh. That's a main road. Okay, Sandra. Oh, yeah. This is going to be wicked simple. Might be time to abort. Abort mission.